Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change the name servers of a domain in Bluehost. I'm now inside my Bluehost account, and to change the name servers of a domain, first click on Domains from this left side menu. In this account, I have only a single domain, so if you have multiple domain names, maybe you need to click on your desired domain in order to arrive in this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online university courses for free today. Inside this online university, you get access to many online courses that can help you with your online business. In this Bluehost online course, for example, you can learn many things including how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account and domain name, how to optimize your website performance, and other things like billing and account management. To get access to all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Now let's go back to our tutorial. Once you're in this page, just scroll down to the bottom, click on Advanced Tools, and hit Manage next to Name Servers or DNS. Click on Continue. Now change these two current name servers to the one you want. After that, click on Save. Changing your name servers usually requires some few hours in order to fully take effect. So if you can't access your website yet, don't panic, just keep waiting and refreshing your browser. Don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment below. Thank you.